So in today's video I'll be taking a review about a wireless mouse. So it's not any wireless mouse, and actually this is a Logitech B175 wireless mouse, and this mouse is one of the finest budget wireless mouse that you guys can get. Stop waste any time, so let's jump right in. So before we start the tutorial, I need to talk about one analytic, because approximately 80% of you guys do watch this video don't subscribe to the channel. So if you guys really think this video is useful, so make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. So yeah, let's jump right in. So before we unbox this mouse, actually there are some features at the box they are telling us. So it is a dongled mouse, so not Bluetooth. Plus dongled mouse usually have more reliable connectivity than Bluetooth, and it's 10 meter reliable wireless range, so you guys can get pretty far from your PC and stuff. And it also has a 12-month battery life, but it depends on your AA battery. So let's jump right in. Okay, we just unbox it. Okay then, so there's the mouse. Quite a simple packaging from Logitech, and there are some paperwork, and it's telling about how to connect to the PC at this paper, and there are some instructions about it. Oh, so it does come with a battery inside it, so you guys don't need to buy any batteries separately, so that's interesting. So there is the mouse, and I bought it from black. Actually I think you guys can get in red, blue or so. It's Logitech, so you can get pretty much in different variety of colors. And so for the first glance, it's a small mouse. So actually you guys, I think you guys can see this, guys. I can cover my whole hand with the mouse. It's a big mouse, and actually behind this, it does come with a battery. So not for retail sale, so I think it's a OEM battery, Duracell OEM battery. And actually this is a nice feature. Like, more companies should do like this to package with a AA batteries, because buying separately a AA batteries is quite a bit annoying. So that's a bonus. And yep, it does come with a dongle, and actually this dongle has some text onto it, and it feels a bit more premium than usual. So the feel on this mouse pad feels pretty good. It's not so slidey, like it's not that slidey, but you can slide a bit more. But for normal use cases, this thing may perform really well. And the scroll wheel is pretty nice, not gonna lie. The scroll is quite nice, and the click on it's quite sturdy. And how about for the build quality? It's Logitech, so you guys can get some sort of a premium build quality for the price. And it has a matte finishing up top of it, but I'm a bit concerned because usually matte finishing wear over time, so you guys need to keep an eye on that. But so far I like the feel of it. It's not as good as a gaming mouse, but still for an usual office case, it's quite good. So I want to plug it into my PC, and let's see how does it perform on CSGO, I guess. So let's jump right in. CSGO is running, and I am currently recording on OBS. So for the connection for the mouse, you guys need to use this dongle and plug it anywhere, I guess, but I don't suggest you guys to plug it back of your PC, because usually you guys have some connection errors. But I am going to connect with a USB hub, so let's plug it in. And there's and there it is flashes, and there's a switch here, so you just need to on it. And just gonna move this mouse, and for the feel of it, it feels pretty good, not gonna lie. So let's jump into a dead match. Let me off the sound for a while. Where is it? So now we're playing CSGO, and for the sensitivity it has, come on. I killed someone. Okay, the sensitivity we have here, it feels pretty good, and I am using a pistol for no reason. Oh my god, I'm killed. Okay, let's buy some kind of gun. We need to test it out. Not gonna lie, the recording on OBS is not good, but I can guarantee you guys it's playing pretty smoothish, I guess. There's an enemy there, so where are they? There's someone else, I guess. There's someone. Oh wait, I got sniped. No, not sniped. Got AK-7. But now the mouse feels pretty good. Mind you, on the recording it's a bit laggy, but it's not the best ergonomic mouse. Well, I contributed. What did I do? Well, I did nothing in this game, but it's not as ergonomic as my Aula S12, but it's not a comparison. For light office usage, you can't get wrong with this. So let's get into the table, and I want to give my final thoughts on it. So what can I say? Logitech doesn't disappoint me at all. It feels pretty good even on gaming, but there are some downsides. First, you guys need to have a small hand to use it, because for big hands like me, it's quite a hard one to rest on it. So I need to use a crawl position to play CSGO, but still it feels pretty fine, and the DPI is really nice, but it's not that high of a DPI. But still, I'm a gaming mouse user, so it does feels pretty great. The only downside is it's small. So that's been it, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments down below what if you thought of it, guys. If you're new to this channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I see you guys in the next video, guys. Talk to you guys later, and hope you guys enjoy.